Hey girls, I want to show you this makeup look today. It's a new way that I'm putting on my eye makeup, and I'll show you the whole thing. First, I started with the Pure Lit Mist Blue Light Defense Illuminating Setting Spray. Then I put on my Vitamin C by Gin Amber. And then I'm trying to use up my Black Snail All-in-One Cream. Okay, so once I did that, I started on my eyes, and I put my NYX shadow base in Flesh. Skin tone, I think. Now, this is my new way of doing my eyes. I just dug through my collection and I found this Too Faced Bulletproof Shadow Liner 24 Hour. And it has a ball sponge on one end, pretty firm, so you can really manipulate. And here is the color. And I was just inspired by my daughter. I gave her a shadow stick, one that I had that would go with her coloring. It was probably more on the purplish side because she has green eyes. So her eyes look so pretty with just mascara and the eyeshadow stick. I said, I'm going to try it. Let me look for my eyeshadow sticks. And I found my Bulletproof. I have it in 4 colors. White, Ooh La La, Blackout, and Mink. This is Mink. That is it. And it's on my eyes. Now, all I did was put it all over my lid. Like this. And I tell you, your lids don't look creepy. So after I did that, I took a crease brush and I just did a tannish color. Tannish brown up here. You could always blend more. Then I took the Blackout 24-hour Bulletproof eyeliner and I did my tight line. Now, I could have done the bottom with it also, but I decided to do with my Jordana Tenacious Brown on the bottom. I don't go all the way in so it doesn't totally close my eye up. So, I didn't put any liner on the top. So, this is a good look for those of you that have a smaller eyelid space than I do. I have a very large eyelid space, so I can put anything up there. But I know a lot of you struggle with the hooded eye and cannot do a lot of shadow on your upper eyelid. So that's why maybe you don't wear eyeliner. But a shadow like this is great. You just put it on like an eyeliner and smear it all the way up and then put a little here and you're done. So after that, I did Pure Lit again, and I did the Cover Effects in the Dewy. And I put it on my sponge also. Today I didn't wet my sponge. I just put the setting mists on my sponge, and then I went along here, like that. See, and I could do this. This is a really, really shiny one, too. So if I go like that, it kind of eases all the powder that I put on, because I do love a powder blush and bronzer. So I don't wear powdered makeup, but I wear powder blush and bronzer. So this helps keep it moist and dewy. And have you gotten this yet? You're just gonna love this little marshmallow. And it cleans so well. It's just soft. I think there's nothing on the inside. That's why it's so soft. It's just, I love it. Okay, then I put on my Miracle Touch in bronze, and then I used it as concealer. I put on the golden, bronze and golden. Now, I want to show you my newest kick. It is by Inhale Health. Now, they cost about I'll show you what it is. I bought them and I'm going to buy them again. I think they are amazing products. Now, this is my latest kick that I'm going to show you. I love these so much. I'm going to show you what they do and what it is. Okay, so I purchased these from Inhale Health. And this is a vitamin B12 stick. It says, have you inhaled your vitamins today? So it comes in this stick, and over here it lights up. It has a little rubber cap and 2 holes there to inhale. Now, it says vitamin B12 across there, and it says Inhale Health. So you do this. You just go. Now, can you see it? Now, when you inhale it, you have to hold it in for as long as you can so it absorbs and you get your dose of vitamin B12. I also got the melatonin. Now, every night I take 1 tablet of melatonin and I inhale the rest. I do this about 3 times. They cost about $19. You get 300 inhales. So this says Inhale Health. And it says melatonin. And let's see if you could see it light up. So I'm going to inhale it and I'm going to hold it in. Oh. I don't want to inhale this now. I'm not going to sleep. This is going to make me tired. Oops. I wasn't supposed to inhale this. Okay. So you got the B12 and the melatonin. They have caffeine. They have several different types. I think they're terrific. I think they're terrific. I told my doctor I'm using them and she said fine. So I wanted to show you that. I think it's very cool. Inhale Health. So that's where I got them. And the packaging says 40 milligrams of melatonin, up to 300 breaths, 0 nicotine, rapid uptake, organic base, 0 PG, lab verified, pharma grade, vegan friendly. Same thing with the B12 one, the vitamin B12. And this is the melatonin. That's it for today. And I hope you have a great day, a wonderful week. I'll see you back in another video. If you haven't subscribed, there's a little red banner and a little bell. And only if you smiled. If you smiled, okay. If you're already subscribed, you could just share the video with your friends. And I'll see you in my next video. I got lots of goodies coming up. Mwah.